Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable the time limit for apps on your Android phone. So if you maybe limited screen time on apps in the past and you want to either change it or just remove the limitation altogether, in today's tutorial I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up your phone and then just scroll up on the home screen and select the settings button. Underneath settings, you want to select apps. And then underneath general, you want to select screen time. And then scroll down and then find whatever app has the screen limitation setting. It'll have a little hourglass icon next to it. Go ahead and just select that app and then select where it says app timer underneath settings. You can delete the limit by selecting delete, or you can change it as well by just changing the scroll bar here. And then once you're done, you can see the app limit has been deleted. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.